Nissan turned its motorsport engineers loose on the electric Ariya NISMO. For 2026, two motors make 429 horsepower, 130 more than the standard car, all four wheels driven. At the back, a ducktail spoiler and twin diffuser cut aerodynamic lift by around 40%. Up front, canards and an air curtain manage the wind, feeding a chassis stiffened front and rear. The promise is a hot Nissan you can live with daily, so subscribe now and we will see if the badge is earned. Inside, the sport theme carries on quietly. A twin-screen dashboard stretches across the cabin, framed by a thin ribbon of NISMO red. That red thread continues onto the doors. The seats are the signature, wrapped in grippy suede with red stitching and a NISMO logo on the backrest. A center marker sits at 12 o'clock on the wheel, a nod to who tuned it. Even the starter glows red, a little theater before anything moves. The drive selector falls easily to hand, and the console keeps things simple. Underneath, a sliding center console shifts to suit your reach, clever packaging carried from the standard Ariya. The layout is calm and modern, less race car, more premium lounge with a harder edge. Visibility forward is clear, and the cabin feels wrapped around the driver. In the back, the theme eases off. Rear space is genuinely good, with a flat floor and room for adults to stretch out. Cup holders, vents, and a soft armrest keep the second row comfortable on longer trips. Practical, not stripped. The family car survives. The red trim ties the front together. Two 12-inch displays run everything. Headroom stays generous under that sloping roof. At the rear, a full-width light bar stretches the car and adds real presence. The detailing here looks crisp and expensive. From behind, the ducktail and diffuser earn their keep. The catch for American buyers, this NISMO never reached the States. Open the tailgate and practicality returns. The powered hatch reveals a usefully square opening. Boot space is just over 400 liters, enough for a big weekly shop and a buggy. Under the floor, there is room for your cables. Fold the rear seats, and the space opens right up, so the NISMO treatment never costs you the family flexibility that made the Ariya popular. That NISMO badge sits proudly on the tailgate. 0 to 62 takes 5 seconds flat. In Britain, it starts near 57,000 pounds. Reviewers praise its grip and body control, though the firm ride fidgets over rough roads and the range disappoints. So yes, the badge is earned. But a Hyundai Ioniq 5N adds 200 horsepower for similar money, so call this the Ariya you live with.